Hello everyone, welcome back to Fixyypedia. Today we're gonna troubleshoot in live. We're gonna read comments of viewers and then we're gonna try to cover and troubleshoot all the problems they are getting. So let's start. So first problem we're seeing is Windows 11 100% CPU problem. Okay. Bro, my PC CPU is literally at 100% after the latest Windows update. I have nothing open and Task Manager is showing Windows stop using most of it. Is the update broken? So, okay, bro. Yeah, if the problem started right after the Windows update, the update is definitely something to look at. But don't assume the update itself is permanently broken. Sometimes Windows is still doing background work after an update and like rebuilding the search index, scanning files, defending updater, then finishing installation task, open task manager and sort the CPU column from highest to lowest. Don't look at the overall 100% number, look at the actual processing process which is causing it. If it's Windows update or another Microsoft process, give it some time and then restart the PC once. But if you see something like a random application or unknown process consistently taking 50, 60 or 70% CPU, is different problem. Tell me the exact process name because that will tell us where to go next. So let me know if you can find this.